Are you aware of all the incredible features the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dash cam offers? Stay tuned to uncover 5 things you didn't know about this innovative dash camera. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect, where we deliver authentic reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. Let's kick things off with the standout feature, its 360-degree coverage. With 4 lenses capturing front, rear, left and right views simultaneously, this dash cam ensures you've got all angles covered. Not only does this provide a fuller picture during driving, but it also helps in reducing blind spots. However, be mindful that adjusting the angles on the front lenses could be a bit tedious. Next up is the time-lapse recording in parking mode. This function records at a frame per second, compressing an hour of footage down to just a minute, which is fantastic for saving space on your memory card. The only thing to keep in mind here is that you will need the ACC hardwire kit for this feature to work effectively. For our third point, we have the built-in GPS logger. This nifty feature accurately records your vehicle's location, speed, and route. An absolute boon for those who need reliable evidence in case of incidents. On the downside, setting up the GPS video player can require a bit more effort than anticipated. Now let's talk about the quality night vision. With an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, it shines when it comes to recording clear footage at night. While this is certainly impressive, it's worth noting that competing models may offer similar night performance with added features. Finally, ease of installation. The user manual provides reference images that make the setup straightforward, and without a battery, it prevents issues from heat exposure. However, this also means you'll need to be vigilant about keeping it connected to a power source at all times. In conclusion, the PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam offers impressive features like comprehensive angle coverage and excellent night vision, all while being easy to set up. However, some quirks and setup hassles may give pause. If you are looking for reliable protection for your vehicle, it might just be the right choice, but always weigh the pros and cons before purchasing. Remember, honesty is key,